Hey gamers! Is Hell Let Loose stuck on a black screen during startup? Don't worry, I've got 5 quick and easy solutions to get you back in the fight. Let's fix this together, step by step. Before we start, make sure your graphics drivers and Windows are up to date. Now let's dive into the fixes. Solution 1. Restart Steam and PC. Close Steam and Hell. Let loose completely. Restart your PC to clear temporary glitches. Launch Steam again. Start Hell Let Loose and check if the black screen issue is gone. Solution 2. Modify launch options, DirectX 11 or 12 open Steam and head to your library. Right-click on Hell Let Loose and select Properties. In the Launch Options section, type one of the following commands: -D, X11, for DirectX 11, -D, 3D12, for DirectX 12. Close the window and launch the game to see if it works. Tip: if one option doesn't work, try the other. Solution 3. Verify game files. Go to your Steam library. Right-click on Hell Let Loose and choose Properties. Navigate to the Local Files tab. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Let Steam scan and repair any missing or corrupted files. Relaunch the game after the process completes. Solution 4. Run as administrator. Find the Hell Let Loose.exe file in the installation folder, usually under C:program. Files x86 Steam Apps Common. Right-click the .exe file and select Run as administrator. Confirm any prompts that appear. Tip: you can also set it permanently by right-clicking the .exe file, then Properties, then Compatibility tab. Check Run this program as an administrator. Apply and OK. Solution 5. Try compatibility mode. Go to the Hell Let Loose.exe file again. Right-click and choose Properties. Open the Compatibility tab. Check Run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or an older version. Apply the changes and restart the game. Final tip: if none of these solutions work, consider reinstalling the game or updating Windows. That's it. I hope one of these fixes solved your black screen issue. Let me know in the comments which solution worked for you, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Genie for more troubleshooting guides. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a fix. Happy gaming!